Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect to your VPS server, simple and fast. Let's get started. In our previous video, we walked through how to create your own VPS. Once your VPS is ready, your provider will send you the necessary details, like the server's IP address and password, straight to your email. So, make sure you've got that email open and ready with those details, as we'll need them to connect. In today's video, we'll use PuTTY, a free and widely used SSH client. It's the most popular app for connecting to a VPS via SSH. If you don't have it installed yet, let me show you how to get it. First, head over to the official PuTTY website. You can search for PuTTY download or use the link in the description. Once you're there, download the installer. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the simple setup steps. It's that easy. With PuTTY open, find the box labeled host name or IP address. Type in your server's IP address. It's in the email with your VPS login details. Make sure the port is set to 22, which is the standard for SSH. Then, click Open. A terminal window will pop up. When it asks for a username, type root. Then paste the password from that same email. And don't worry if you don't see anything while typing, that's just how the terminal works. Now hit enter, and just like that, you're in. Your VPS is now ready to go. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tutorials. See you next time.